How to deposit money in Binance. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit money in Binance. To deposit money into your Binance account, you can use several methods, including bank transfers, credit debit cards, and P2P trading. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you'll need to open your Binance application on your mobile device and you'll make sure you are logged into your account. Also, make sure you have verified your identity. After that, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you will be able to see the wallet tab. Tap on this wallet option, and then here you can directly select this deposit option, or you may also select the spot option from top, and here inside you will be able to see the deposit button. Go ahead and tap on it to open the deposit section. Once you open it, here now you will need to choose your local fiat currency. Here I am choosing USD. After that, you will need to follow the instructions provided for bank transfers, which may include entering your bank details. You will need to ensure all the information is accurate to avoid delays. If you want to use card, you may also scroll down to find the card option, and once you find it, tap on it. And now you will need to tap on this continue button below, and after that you will need to enter your card details and amount you wish to deposit. Confirm the transaction after that, and you'll be able to deposit funds on your Binance. If you want to use P2P trading, you can also source for the P2P option from here if available, and then you will need to choose a crypto. After that, you will need to find a seller, and after agreeing on a price, follow the payment instructions provided by the seller. Once completed, the crypto will be credited to your account. After selecting your deposit method and entering the required information, you will need to review all the details carefully and then confirm your deposit request. The funds should appear in your Binance account shortly after processing. So, by following these steps, you can easily deposit money into your Binance account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.